How to convert Canva to Shopify landing page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a landing page into canva.com and then make it a landing page for your Shopify store or any type of page that you're going to have. So it is going to be very easy. It is going to be a question of having the page selected and also or the website of the Canva or the temporary link that you have on Canva into the specific Shopify store added as a page. So now how we can do that, I'm going to show you fully in depth how we can do this. So we are going to head over first shopify.com, sign in for an account and visit our, as you can see, admin dashboard. Once you have did that, we're going to head over the online store and then we are going to head over the pages. So this is something that we need in here. So I'm going to head over Canva now. What we're going to do is to head over our website or the website that we have created in Canva. So I'm going to consult the websites. We are going to type in website and we are going to check up all the websites that we have created or we have published at least. So I think that this is a published website. I'm going to check by clicking on it. Now we are going to see the website as it is. Now we are going to wait for details and it is going to be a live website. Now what I'm going to do is to click on edit website. So we can go ahead and set up the page. So as all of you know, or maybe some of you will not know or doesn't know yet, it is going to be a crucial part that you should know that Canva is going to create only a one page website. So that means as many as you're going to create here pages, it is going to be not a multiple page or multi-layer website, but only one page website. So we cannot do that for Canva, basically to create multiple layers website, but we can go ahead and create a whole one website. Now, what I'm going to do in here is to set up the website of ours or the page that we need. So I am going here to set up the things. So the landing pages are going to be naturally the pages that you are going to attract with them the clients. And these pages or these kind of pages are going to be, let's say here, filled with informations and also illustrations and at the end a call to action button. So I'm going to delete here all the buttons that we have. For example, I'm going to let this first one maybe, and we are going to have, for example, these deleted. So I'm going to delete all the unnecessary ones. For example, also we can go ahead and have a product that we've got from Shopify integrated in this one. So for example, we are going to have maybe these services, or this is the product that we have. So we need to head over the products of our Shopify store, and then we are going to have the buy-in page of that product. So let's say that we are going to have here the product and we are going to consult it real quick. So we're going to view it into our store. The essential thing in here is to have a link. So this is the first thing that we are going to do. So here it is going to be related to a branch. We do not have the time to create a branch, so maybe it is the time. So I don't know. We are going to add the product. I'm going to add the product. So we are going to have here the branch. We're going to copy and paste in here the branch. And we're going to basically here have the image. So you're going to have at least the image. So how we can do that? We are going to maybe copy and paste the image in here. So let's see if it is going to be installed. It will take maybe a little bit of time, but doesn't matter a lot. So we are going to have it from another website, for example, Pixels. We're going to have it from Pixels And we're going to have here brunch, for example, brunch like that, brunch, and we're going to see. So we are going to select one of the images. These are going to be copyright free images, of course. When you're going to head over Pixels or FreePic or whatever, you can go ahead and have your own like that. So I'm going to download this and put it into our website. So this is the pixel. We're going to put the image in here and we're going to wait for it. Now we are going to put the price that we have put, only $8. So we're going to have $8 and we are going to set up that this doesn't include a shipping, but it is going to get a ticket instead. So we're going to ignore that. So I'm not going to track the quantity, wait for the upload, and then we are going to have the website save up the things in here. So we are going to wait. Doesn't matter a lot, so I'm going to cancel that, and then we are going to set up the specific image. So the product is created, image is not, doesn't matter. We are going to click on view and we are going to get the link. So we are going to put the link from here. So I'm going to let the image load up just in case. So here we have it. I'm going to let it upload in just a few seconds. Now what I'm going to do is to click on the buy now button and modify it. How we can modify a button or a text, you're going to click on it, click on three dots, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see link instead of edit link. You're going to click on it, then you're going to have your website in here. So you're going to click on done, and this is the first thing. So here, as you can see, we have the complete website. Now we are going to publish our website by clicking on publish and republish the modifications. So we are going to wait for it, and then we are going basically to have the things opened. So we are going to view the website, make sure that we are going to take a good look to it. So this is the one page website of it, and we are going to see it just like that. So here we have it. If I click on the buy now, it will take me to the Shopify, as you can see here, uh, the specific page product. Now, what I am going to do is to have here my link, copy it, and we are going to have it right there added to our website or to our store of Shopify. How we can set that first? We're going to head over Shopify again, and we are going to head over the pages. Now we are going to add a page, and that page is going to be here things. So I rather not add a page instead, but I'm going to add the link directly. So we are going to head over navigations and get over the menu. I would like to add the let's say the Canva page or the landing page directly to the website of our Shopify store, but I'm going to add it as a item only, not a whole page. So because if we are going to have it as a whole page, it is going to take a lot of time from us. So we are going to head over the main menu and we are going to add a menu item. We're going to click on add menu item and we're going to name, for example, the label. So we are going to have, for example, deal of the day, for example, like that. And we are going to click on save. But we need to set up the link. So basically, this is why we need this specific URL of Canva. We're going to copy and paste the link just right there. So we are going to have it like that. Now we are going to click on save. And here we have it. Now I'm going to have it here under the home. So we are going to save the, as you can see, the appropriate things in here. And we are going to head over the online store. So basically we are going to take a look first to the store and see if it is going to be integrated into that. And here we have it. So this is the deal of the day. And when we are going to click on it, it will take us directly to the Canva, as you can see, landing page. And if I am going to navigate through the Canva, as you can see, we're going to have here, as you can see, the branch. When you click on it, it will take you directly to that specific page on Shopify because you cannot take payments on the Canva. Now, there is something missing in here. What is it? It is going to be the Dine With Us. So it is going to take to another website. So we are going to add another link into that specific case. So we are going to head back to Canva and put maybe a home button. So we are going to have here the home button added. We're going to refresh the page and modify some of the things in here. I'm going to click on edit design, or we are going to delete this button. And we are going to add maybe a text and also a shape. So we are going to start by adding a shape. I'm going to add maybe a little rectangle that are going to be set up to back to Shopify, for example. I'm going to have it just like that. And we are going to put it like this, for example, like that. I'm going to have here maybe arrow, which is going to be the back arrow. I am going to put it like that. So I'm going to reverse the process of it. Boom. I think that we are going to be setting up the arrow like this. And we are going to have here the text of maybe back to Shopify. And we are going to make it a little bit small, just like that. I'm going to have it just like this as a reference. This is something good because we have no button to be back into our Shopify store. So we are going to have it just like this. Now, what I am going to do is to link that button. So how we can do that? Very simple. We are going to head over the Shopify store, open the Shopify store and get the general or the home link one. So we are going to copy here, click on back to Shopify, more or the three dots in here, and click on link. Now we are going to paste in the link. Click on done, done again, boom. Now we are going to publish again the website, republish, and we are going to wait for the steps. So it is not basically going to take a lot of time from you, but it is going to be very crucial. Now, what I'm going to do is to refresh the page that we've got, and you're going to see the back to Shopify. If I click on it, it will take me directly to the Shopify store that I have. And this is something that is going to be very related to each other, and also it is not going to be a closed up, let's say, page. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you have multiple landing pages that you need to add into your Shopify store from Canva or convert them to the Canva, you need only to get your specific link or the URL from the Canva, of course, as you can see here, designs. So the major thing that you need to know is going to have your menu modified. So you're going to add it to the main menu, or you can go ahead and have it into a specific case. Basically, this is pretty much it that we can do in here. Can modify always the link that you have into this specific area. And then you're going to have it installed or saved just like that. So there is not another way to set it up, but you can go ahead and have over here and head over the pages. And of course, you can go ahead and add a new page. But here you're going to have the image or the website added as a long page. So you're going to convert it as a only one page, or I don't know here number of photos, and it is not going to be clickable. And this is something deceiving a little bit. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.